Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to use 11 Labs for your different content creation workflow. So if you're a content creator and you want to use 11 Labs, this is how you can use it for your different projects. So first of all, you can go to the voices section here and click on your library option to get the different voices for different purposes. So we have for the narrative and story, for your conversational characters, for characters and animation. In case you're running a project that involves animation, you also have for your social media, entertainment and TV, advertisements, informative and educational. So depending on the kind of content you are creating, you can select a voice that resonates with you or resonates with the project. So uh, what we also have is we can also, once you've selected the voice, it will be added to the place called my voices. This is a list of all the voices you might have worked with in the past, or the voices you've added from the library to your personal space. And then from this section you can work with these voices and add them to your project. So these are the voices I have worked with. And also you can create or clone a new voice in this section here by clicking on this button to your right, add a new voice. Also you can use the text to speech section, which will involve you, um, it should give us a space where we can input our good. So this is how we can input our scripts in this space here, in case we have a YouTube script where we want to generate a voiceover for. So once you input your script here, you can generate your voiceover here by clicking on the generate speech, while you can also change your voice here and choose a model suitable to you, and also change the speed, stability and similarity if you want to modulate the variation of the voice. So this is how you can use it to convert your text to speech for your different content creation project. Also you can use the voice changer and sound effects. If you want, you can also describe the sound effects you want in the sound effects option. So this is how you can use 11 Labs for your content creation projects. If you've enjoyed this video, please consider leaving a comment below and subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much and do have a great day.